Mozzarella cheese, an Italian masterpiece, is cherished worldwide for its creamy texture and subtle, sweet taste. Crafted from high-quality milk, it's a versatile delight, elevating dishes from pizzas to salads, captivating palates with its timeless appeal. In this video, we will follow the process of transforming fresh, high-quality milk into the soft, milky delight that is mozzarella. Our journey begins on dairy farms, where contented cows and buffalo graze on nutrient-rich pastures. The quality of the milk starts here, where happy and healthy animals contribute to the exceptional taste of mozzarella. Meticulously collected, the milk is a fundamental ingredient, setting the stage for the cheese-making process. Then the milk is gently heated and combined with enzymes and a starter culture, typically containing bacteria such as lactic acid bacteria. The enzymes help coagulate the milk, forming curds, while the bacteria work to ferment the lactose into lactic acid. As the milk coagulates into a gel-like substance, it's time to cut the curd into smaller pieces by using curd cutter. Cutting the curd helps control the moisture content, essential for the desired texture and consistency of mozzarella. Pour warm water over the curds, submerging them into this comforting warmth, and add a pinch of salt to the water not only enhances the flavor, but also gives our mozzarella that authentic Italian taste. Let me introduce you to the unsung hero of mozzarella making, the paddle. It's more than just a wooden tool, it's the maestro of this cheese symphony. It takes years of experience to know just how much water to add. Too much and it can affect the texture, but with just the right amount, combined with the gentle kneading, these curds start to meld and transform into the mozzarella we adore. Right before our eyes, we're witnessing the birth of mozzarella. The smooth, creamy texture, the fresh, milky aroma. It's a work of art in its own right. Shaping it into a ball, this mozzarella is now ready to take center stage on your pizza, Caprese salad, or any other delightful dish you have in mind. Mozzarella, with its creamy texture and delicate flavor, is more than just a cheese. It's a quintessential part of Italian cuisine, and a symbol of the art and tradition deeply rooted in its origins. So the next time you take a bite of this delightful cheese, remember the journey it has taken, from curds to that perfect melt-in-your-mouth mozzarella ball. It's a journey that celebrates patience, precision, and passion. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.